Hey Kickstarter, I'm Alex, a design engineer who's really passionate about creating beautiful products by using light. Together with my team of talented nerds and artists, we've been hard at work for the past year to create something that we are really proud of. Our mission has been to create an interactive object that is both mesmerizing and beautiful, and that is easy to use so that you can have it in your home or bring to any event. We've made countless of prototypes, designed the electronics, software and packaging, and we're now ready to start manufacturing. It's hard to show on video what the GLORB really looks like, but when people see it for the first time, they are mesmerized. But we need your help with making this project into a reality. By backing us, you are an important part of taking a completely new type of product onto the market. Thank you for your support, and we'd really appreciate it if you send this project to friends that you think might like the GLORB. Try to look good for this one. Whatever.
Hold your breath.
Yeah. Breathe in your mouth or something.
Just